Choosing the right dog clippers can transform your pet grooming routine, making it more efficient and enjoyable for both you and your furry friend. In this video, we'll explore the top dog clippers available on the market, highlighting their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out from the rest. So let's start. Number 1. ONEISALL Dog Clippers. If you are tired of dealing with noisy, unreliable clippers, this might just be the solution you need. The ONEISALL Dog Clippers stand out with their convenient features and reliable performance. The rechargeable battery, sharp blades, quiet operation, and multiple guard combs make them a great choice for home grooming. If you are a professional groomer or just looking to maintain your pet's coat at home, these clippers could be a valuable addition to your grooming tools. Key features: rechargeable and can be used while charging. Stainless steel and ceramic blades for precise, long-lasting cuts. Only 55 decibels to keep pets calm. Includes 6 combs for various lengths. Easy to attach and detach. Number 2. Wahl Dog Clippers. If you are caring for a playful pup or a cuddly cat, these clippers might just make your grooming routine a breeze. With its professional-grade performance, versatile blade adjustments, and complete grooming kit, it's certainly equipped to handle a wide range of grooming tasks. The ability to achieve salon quality results at home, the versatility of the 5-in-1 blade, and the convenience of cordless grooming make these clippers a standout choice. Key features: salon-quality grooming for dogs, cats, and horses. Adjustable blade with sizes 9, 10, 15, 30, and 40. 80-minute cordless run time with a 75-minute charge. Ideal for small and medium dogs, cats, and horses. Number 3. Andis Dog Clippers. The Andis Dog Clippers offer a powerful and versatile grooming solution for pet owners. If you are a pet owner, you know the importance of keeping your furry friend well groomed. With its robust motor, low noise operation, and user-friendly design, it's a great tool for both beginners and experienced groomers. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient way to keep your pet's coat in top condition, the Andis Dog Clippers are worth considering. Key features: 2-speed motor with 3400 SPM. Works for all breeds and livestock. Quiet operation to keep pets calm. Easy to clean and replace. Simple on or off switch with a 14-foot cable. Number 4. HOLDOG B8 Dog Clippers. This clipper is designed to deliver a smooth, stress-free grooming experience for both you and your pet. With its detachable titanium ceramic blade, low noise and vibration operation, powerful motor, and long-lasting battery life, these clippers are designed to make grooming a breeze. The adjustable combs and precise trimmer settings make it easy for beginners to achieve professional results at home. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, it promises to make home grooming easier than ever before. Key features: 2-speed, 3400 SPM powerful motor, suitable for all breeds and livestock. Low noise operation to keep pets calm. Easy cleaning and maintenance. Simple on slash-off switch and 14-foot cable. Number 5. Gooad Dog Clippers. The Gooad Dog Clippers offer a comprehensive grooming solution with their versatile blade options, long-lasting battery, and user-friendly features like the LCD display and fine-tuning knob. The high-quality blades and low-noise operation make grooming a breeze for both you and your pet. If you are looking for reliable and efficient pet clippers, the Gooad Dog Clippers could be the perfect addition to your grooming toolkit. Key features: 2200 mAh Li-ion long-lasting battery and LCD display, low noise and strong power. Low noise tech operates at less than 60 decibels. 3-speed motor, durable and powerful. Adjustable from 0.8 mm to 2 mm for different hair lengths. Thanks for watching this video of the best dog clippers on the market. We have covered a range of products. If you need clippers for a thick coat, a quiet option for a nervous pet, or a versatile tool for various grooming tasks, there's something on our list for everyone. Thanks again for watching.